If you're looking for information on the Hiro FM lifetime deal and review, you've come to the right place. The Hiro FM lifetime deal was launched on Appsumo with a significant discount, and in this video, we'll share all the details of the deal. We'll cover what the lifetime deal entails, what features are included, and whether or not we think it's worth taking advantage of. By the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to know about the Hiro FM lifetime deal so that you can make an informed decision about whether or not it's right for you. Increase podcast profits with SMS automations, no-code sales pages, and one-click access. With Hiro, you can effortlessly produce captivating private podcasts, audiobooks, and courses in just a few minutes, even if you lack technical expertise. This innovative solution is at the forefront of the industry. Lifetime access to Hiro FM, unlimited downloads per month, unlimited audio shows, unlimited SMS keywords, unlimited automations, 30-day podcaster course. Hiro FM is a podcast platform that combines audio and SMS automation for an immersive listening experience. It simplifies launching, promoting, and optimizing private podcasts with an AI writing assistant for crafting headlines and summaries, cover art design, and the ability to import podcasts or YouTube channels. Hiro FM enables listeners to access shows with a short text message and chat with creators through automated text, emails, and in-app notifications. It also allows creators to trigger SMS messages to keep engagement high and turn passive listeners into loyal customers. Hiro FM provides audience insights, one-click access on iOS or Android, and the option to sell access using no-code sales pages. It guarantees that creators keep 100% of their sales from day one. With Hiro FM, launching podcasts and other audio content has never been easier. Alert! Most deals are out of stock within a week of coming to Appsumo, so take it now if you need it. Why are you let? Get lifetime access to Hiro FM today. One-time purchase of $49 only. 60-day money-back guarantee. Try it out for 2 months to make sure it's right for you.